Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 15th, 2022, and we're going to take a look at this completely changed soil, reconditioned, raised bed in the understory. Okay? So we had to safeguard our plants from the squirrels. Not just that, the rabbits. But what we planted in here were some peas. The peas don't seem to be doing too well. That's the only thing I see that's not really doing all that well. We planted some watermelon over here and some cantaloupe here and a bunch of beans over here. We can get into the details of the beans in another video. And then a bunch of different orange Halloween pumpkins right here. Now the strange part, oh yeah, some okra over there too. Strange part is I couldn't get any of this to grow before in the sun, in the regular sandy soil that I have on this property for two reasons: nutrient deficiency and root boring nematodes were destroying everything I put into the ground. But now, like, look at the okra. I couldn't get any okra to grow because I would try to put them in the full sun, and it's probably a nutrient deficiency as well, possibly the root knot nematodes affecting it negatively. Those three elements really worked against them. But over here right now in this soil, they're doing fine. So this used to be all sand with just a little tiny bit of mulch on the top. I took all the sand out and put oak leaves and detritus that had been sitting for 2 months and had been inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. I also used black walnut hull powder in this in hopes of keeping away the root knot nematode. And everything right now seems to be doing just fine. We have had a little bit of a loopworm issue with our squash plants, which is like the pumpkins and things like that, and the melons. But the loopworm is easily fought off using Bt thuricide. So I administered some of that onto these pumpkins and melons and stuff, and they seem to be doing just fine right now. These results are telling me that what I'm doing so far with these new methods of generating soil, organic soil from my property, these new methods, and then also the inoculation of beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi, all of these are exactly what I need to be doing in order to get the right conditions in the soil for prime growth when it comes to trying to grow all these things on my property. And then location too. I'm discovering here that with the right soil conditions in the dappled sunlight location, you can still grow some stuff. So as far as this raised bed goes, with the protective measures that I've used to fortify these plants, so far we are in a zone of success, and I'm excited about the future. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And if you want to see some of the backstory and all the details required to produce something similar to this, just look at the top right of this video at the end and click on the playlist link, and you'll see the backstory of this particular raised bed. Have a great day.